Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy Eyes Academy. So, in this session, I'm going to discuss the issue with respect to privilege motion. तो अभी recently क्या हुआ that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has shared a video on his social media platform X. Okay, and in that video there was a speech which was made by BJP MP Anurag Thakur. अब वो स्पीच में ऐसा क्या था दैट पोर्शन ऑफ स्पीच वॉज ऑलरेडी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ लोकसभा, जिसमें ये कहा गया इन दैट स्पीच बीजेपी एमपी अनुराग ठाकुर वॉज आस्किंग अबाउट द कास्ट ऑफ राहुल गांधी. नाउ तो इसीलिए कांग्रेस के जो लीडर हैं दे आर प्लानिंग टू ब्रिंग privilege motion against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So, the Congress leader whose name is, Congress is actually furious by this move of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and that is why Congress MP whose name is Charanjit Singh Channi, clear? So, Charanjit Singh Channi is planning to bring the privilege motion against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So first of all, we'll try to understand what is privilege motion. Now, तो अब ये privilege motion है क्या? So let's try to understand this. Why it is important? What are the procedure with respect to privilege motion? Now, with respect to privilege motion, so as elected representatives, they have certain rights and immunities which are given to the member of parliament of the house so that they can effectively discharge their duties. Clear? तो कुछ privileges होती हैं elected members के पास so that they can discharge their duties. Now if that privilege is breached by a member of the house, then that person is subject to the punishment under the law of parliament. तो अगर कोई भी member, याद रखिएगा, अगर कोई भी मेंबर उस प्रिविलेज को ब्रीच करता है then that person is subjected to the punishment under the law of parliament. Clear? Now, Indian law did not explicitly define parliamentary privileges. We do not know what exactly parliamentary privileges are, but Article 105 of our constitution mentions two kinds of privileges. Article 105 में two privileges mentions है. कौन सी? First is freedom of speech in parliament and second right to publish the house proceedings. Getting my point? First is freedom of speech in parliament and second is right to publish the house proceedings. Clear? Even Code of Civil Procedure 1908, this code also grants some kind of privileges. तो कहने का basically मुद्दा ये है that Congress leader, they are planning to bring this privilege motion against the Prime Minister Modi because of that video which he has posted on his Twitter platform. Getting my point? Now, the most important thing here is, अगर किसी member को ऐसा लगता है, if a member feels that his privileges should be restricted or his privileges should be misused, then motion can be raised in front of Speaker of Lok Sabha or Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Clear? Now, what are the conditions? So let's try to understand this. So there are basically two conditions. Now, try to understand this thing. Two conditions to bring privilege motion. First, the question of the breach privilege should be restricted to specific matter of recent occurrence. अब आप मोशन तभी ला सकते हैं वो मैटर या तो रिसेंटली हुआ हो. सो दिस मैटर इज अ रीसेंट थिंग. सो द क्वेश्चन ऑफ द ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिविलेज शुड बी रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू स्पेसिफिक मैटर ऑफ रीसेंट occurrence. Second, this matter should be examined by a council. Yes, this matter should be examined by a council. So these are the conditions for bringing the privilege motion. Now let's try to understand first of all. अब इसके पीछे रूल्स क्या क्या है? So if we go through the rules, then we can understand that the Speaker of Lok Sabha or chairman or chairman of Rajya Sabha, they are the first level of scrutiny. अब एक चीज याद रखिएगा, that the speaker of Lok Sabha or chairman of Rajya Sabha, they are the first level of scrutiny. First level of scrutiny in privilege motion. That means they can also actually go through these matters. They can also decide the matters. Getting my point? तो बेसिकली ये जो स्पीकर है लोकसभा के एंड और चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा, दे आर दी फर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ स्क्रूटनी ऑफ अ प्रिविलेज मोशन. फर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ स्क्रूटनी का मतलब ये है, दे कैन आइदर टेक अ डिसीजन ऑन द प्रिविलेज मोशन. सो दे कैन टेक द डिसीजन, they can take the decision on privilege motion. अब सवाल ये उठता है, if they can take the decision on privilege motion, that is also there, or they can also refer this matter to privilege committee. Getting my point? They can refer this matter to the privilege committee of parliament. तो अब एक चीज और समझिए, नाउ स्पीकर इन केस ऑफ लोकसभा, चेयरमैन इन केस ऑफ राज्यसभा, सो दे कैन refer this matter to privilege committee of parliament. Now if the matter is referred to the privilege committee of parliament by the speaker, तो वो कमिटी कहां की होगी? लोकसभा. So in case of Lok Sabha, in privilege committee 15 members will be there. That means 15 members will be there, each member from each party one member will be there. हर पार्टी से एक मेंबर होगा in case of लोकसभा in privilege committee. In case of राज्य सभा, privilege committee will consist 10 members. Getting my point? इन केस ऑफ लोकसभा कितने मेंबर्स होंगे प्रिविलेज कमिटी में? 15. इन केस ऑफ राज्यसभा प्रिविलेज कमिटी में 10 मेंबर्स होंगे. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द रूल फॉर दीज कमिटीज. क्लियर? अब इन कमिटी का काम क्या होगा? दे हैड टू डिसाइड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. दे हैड टू सी द like the matter with respect to the breach of privilege. Now the question here is, how much time will they be given to present their report? अब कितना टाइम दिया जाएगा? Now अगर कोई टाइम मेंशन नहीं किया गया है, so in that case the date of reference, जिस दिन इस कमिटी को ये मैटर रेफर किया गया, उसके 1 month के अंदर, within 1 month they have to give the report. Getting my point? जिस दिन ये मैटर कमिटी को दिया गया है, उसी के 1 month के अंदर they had to give the report. Clear everyone? Okay. Now once they will give their report, then after that you will see that speaker or chairman, they can also give half an hour for debate on that issue. Clear? So speaker may also allow half an hour debate on the report by the committee. So जब ये कमिटी रिपोर्ट दे देगी on report of privilege committee, so half an hour debate will be, so half an hour debate will, this permission will be given by speaker. Getting my point? And after that you will see, now that means उसके बाद, उसके डिबेट के बाद जो ऑर्डर्स होंगे उस पे उस कमिटी, मतलब उस रिपोर्ट को पास किया जाएगा हाउस से. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रिविलेज मोशन. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो आई होप द प्रोसीजर विद रेस्पेक्ट टू प्रिविलेज मोशन इज क्लियर. So why this is there in the news? Because recently Congress MP is planning, so Charanjit Singh Channi is planning to bring privilege motion against Prime Minister Modi. Thank you so much.